Legends of Learning presents the Pastry Design game. This is a science game that makes learning about the engineering design process fun and easy to understand.
Let's start by purchasing the shop.
In this informative instructional game, get ready to embark on a sweet adventure with Pastry Design.
Excellent.
This hands-on game mixes baking, building, and brain-teasing challenges into one irresistible experience where force, motion, and creativity are the secret ingredients.
These are the steps of the engineering design process.
Team up with the charming Gingerbread Man as you snap together cookie blocks, whip up cream jets, and launch microwaved eggs to conquer physics-based puzzles and collect tasty macaroons along the way. Learn and apply the engineering design process. Use the mouse to click and select objects to build your vehicle to deliver the cake. Complete all the levels to win the game. Use your knowledge of science to complete this fun and educational game. Have fun and enjoy playing.